Are you feeling the pain at the pump? Back in the old days, getting gasoline for your car cost just under $1 per gallon. Shocking, right? That sure sounds nice, but we're definitely not in our glory days anymore. A year ago, at this time, according to AAA, the average gas price peaked at around $2.86. And as of today, the average cost for a gallon of gas surged to an all-time high of $4.12, leaving the record of 2021 in the dust. So, if you're like one of us feeling the pain at the pump and maybe just wondering how to save money on gas, then watch till the end of this video because we're going to show you how to save money on gas without even trading your SUV for a horse and buggy. Hello everyone, and welcome to Save Money Tricks. Save Money Tricks is your first source for innovative, easy, and proven ways to both make and save money. And if you don't want to miss anything about our amazing tips, then smack the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Driving a car is becoming increasingly more expensive as gas prices continuously rise. The spike in gas prices is taking a heavy toll on many people and businesses alike. And this isn't surprising, since there is an incredibly high demand for oil as the restrictions on COVID-19 are lifted while the supply is tight. Prices are expected to increase again as the summer is getting near. Gas demand increases in the summer as people travel most often, and the blend of gasoline costs more due to the specific refining process that is designed to prevent evaporation. The big question now is, how can you combat the fuel price increase? And do you think you can save money at the same time? The answer is absolutely yes. There are several ways you can save on gas, and here are some expert ways for saving a buck at the pump and cutting down the costs. 1. Do your research, track local prices, and shop around the best gas station. Had you experienced filling your tank full of gas, and then driving 150 yards down the road, you see a significantly cheaper fuel price? Not a good feeling, right? In order to avoid that to happen next time, use popular apps such as Gas Buddy or Waze. Both apps are available on the web or via mobile apps for iOS and Android. Moreover, doing a little research to know the best gas station available in your area can save you money and help your car run better. And how will you choose the best gas station? Experts say that there are 4 important factors in choosing the best brands. This includes overall customer satisfaction, number of branches or service stations, fuel quality, and credit card rewards programs. This brings us to another way of saving money on gas. 2. Use a gas rewards card. Another way is getting money from gas credit cards and fuel rewards programs. Several major gas stations and grocery store chains, in an attempt to get you to be loyal to their brand, offer fuel rewards programs. But be sure to know the rules about how much you can save and how much you need to spend to redeem the rewards. For instance, Speedy Rewards offers a $25 GC when you reach 500 points, which is equivalent to 50 gallons of gas, and that is nearly 12% back, considering $4.25 per gallon. BP has an app-based gas rewards program called BP Me. It allows members to save 5 cents per gallon on all its 7,200 service locations. BP also has a Visa credit card. Cardholders can get 10 cents off per gallon. Chevron offers 2 credit cards for their gas rewards program. Ticron Advantage credit card holders may save up to 7 cents per gallon every fill-up, while those with the Visa Ticron Advantage credit card may earn up to 10 to 20 cents per gallon, depending on monthly qualifying purchases. Both Exxon and Mobil have Exxon Mobil Rewards program that offers 3 to 6 cents per gallon as you accumulate points from in-store purchases. Furthermore, Exxon Mobil has a Rewards Plus app that allows you to pay your gas purchase from inside your car and also track your savings. Also, Exxon Mobil Smart Card Gas Rewards Credit Card, issued by Citibank, automatically gives you a saving of 6 cents per gallon with no minimum purchase requirement. Shell, on the other hand, allows members to earn 5 cents per gallon through everyday gas purchases. Shell's Fuel Rewards credit cards allow you to save money at the pump. Depending on the card, it offers 5 or 10 cent savings per gallon. Marathon, with its 5,600 service stations, offers 5 cents per gallon saving on its Make It Count rewards program. 76, with its iconic orange ball and with over 1,800 service stations, offered 10 cents per gallon savings on its rewards credit card. Plus, using its My 76 app will give you a bonus of 15 cent savings for the first 30 gallons, and integrated into the app are Google Pay and Apple Pay, which is very convenient paying options. In addition to gas stations, supermarket chains, and convenience stores also offer a gas rewards program. Safeway or Kroger, for instance, will give you 10 cents off the next time you fill up, and that is for every $100 grocery purchase. Though Safeway's gas program works only with Chevron, Safeway stations, and Texaco, while Kroger works with its own fuel centers and Shell. 3. Pay your gas with cash. By paying cash, you get instant savings, but that depends from gas station to station and by region. So consider cash as the king even at the pump. Awesome, right? So the next time you fill up for gas, it's worth considering walking some extra steps to pay the cashier so you can save a few bucks. Several gas stations in Los Angeles, especially for premium gas, offer 20-cent savings for cash. Considering you top off weekly, in every 15-gallon tank you would save $3, and that would be $156 in a year. Easy math, right? But be mindful of those ATM fees, because you are losing money if you are paying $2 to $3 just to get your cash each time. 4. Always check your tires. While it might seem trivial to some of us, tire pressure greatly affects your gas mileage. According to a study, 60% of car owners only check their tire pressure if an indicator light turns on. If your car is not equipped with a tire pressure gauge, consider checking it next time. That only costs about $10 to $20. Properly inflated tires can boost gas mileage by 3% according to the Department of Energy DOE. And according to the Department of Transportation DOT, you lose 0.2% fuel economy in every 1 psi below the optimum tire pressure. That may not sound significant, but you could be losing a great amount of gas if your tire pressure is not at optimum. Doing the math, keeping your tires properly inflated could save you between 2 cents and 12 cents in every gallon, assuming gas prices in your area are about $4. Another factor worth considering is the depth of your tire. They are considered bald and need an immediate replacement if the depth is 1/16 of an inch. So the next time you start that engine, check your tires if you want to maximize your fuel efficiency. 5. Use that map. Are you aware that Google Maps can also boost your miles per gallon by using its fuel-efficient routes instead of the fastest route that is in default with your car navigation? And why Google Maps? Google Maps is more accurate than all other apps because it collects data from multiple sources, which including even Waze, the traffic navigation app also owned by Google. So, what Google Maps does is try to analyze the fuel consumption to reach your destination by getting the average fuel consumption of vehicles driving on the same route, the traffic system along the way, the type of roads along the way, and the steepness of hills that you may end up driving on. And if it is significantly lower than the default route, you should see an eco-friendly alternative route before you start driving. Just remember that fuel-efficient routes could sometimes be longer compared to the default route. This is because instead of a highway, which is considered faster, you could end up using an express road, which is where the fuel consumption is lower. Worth knowing also is how to turn on fuel efficiency in Google Maps. To activate it, on the directions screen tap the 3 dots, then tap the route options and toggle on the Prefer Fuel Efficient Routes. We also have other fuel tracking mobile apps available in Androids and iOS apps. Most drivers claim that they can save up to 20% using Jerrycan. Other apps like Fuelio can also provide you with ways how to improve your fuel efficiency and also could track gas prices. 6. Hypermiling. Hypermiling, in short, is the practice of maximizing fuel efficiency to the ultimate level to help you lower your fuel consumption and improve your gas mileage. Do these hypermiling tips not only save you money at the pump, but they can also help you become a better driver and eventually extend the life of your car. 1. Keep idling at a minimum. As much as possible, keep idling at a minimum. Turn off the engine instead of keeping it idle when parked near the curb waiting to pick someone up or sitting at a drive-thru. Experts say that you can save up to 19% just by avoiding excessive idling. 2. Never carry unnecessary weight. Just avoiding unnecessary items you don't need in your car will help you save up to 2% of your car mileage according to the Department of Energy. As much as possible, carry only the emergency kit items such as a flashlight and necessary tools for your car. 3. Drive smoothly. To maximize fuel efficiency, maintain a consistent speed and avoid accelerating rapidly and slamming on that brake near red lights, stop signs, sharp curves, and traffic slowdowns. 7. Get discounted gas prices on club membership. While pricing is still above average, we just found that signing up for a wholesale membership can get discounted gas. Club memberships from Walmart Plus, Costco, Sam's Club, and Kroger will give you access to a cheaper gas price. Sam's Club's annual membership fee is $45 in return. You get 0.05 cents per gallon at the pump, of course. Actual discounts depend on your location and the specific station. While Costco's annual membership fee will cost you $60 per year. Know that Costco fuel prices are one of the cheapest compared to the traditional service stations. Just a warning, due to the recent spike in gas prices, gas lines at Costco have become extremely long. Next is Walmart Plus. For $12.95 per month or $98 annually, you can get a discount of 0.05 cents per gallon or 0.75 cents for every 15 gallons you fill up. Doing the math, that is about $40 in savings per year if you get gas weekly. And lastly, at Kroger you don't have to pay for membership, but the retailer has a fuel points program that will let you redeem fuel points in their fuel centers. For every dollar you spend in groceries, you will get 100 fuel points, which you can redeem for 10 cents off per gallon at Kroger's service stations. 8. Take advantage of discounted gas cards through resellers. Get a chance to buy discounted gas cards through resellers such as Gift Card Granny and Ray's. You can buy unused gift cards from Shell, BP, Chevron, Texaco, and other gas providers at a lower price. Just be careful, though, to always check the actual price discount and other specifics of any card. 9. Instead of using a car, consider bicycles, public transit, and EVs. With prices already soaring high, maybe this is an opportunity to reconsider your budget, and maybe time to consider switching to bicycles or using public transit instead of gasoline-based transportation. These will greatly help you save money on the side. However, if you can afford an EV, this will certainly cut your dependence on gas. It's not just Tesla, but many other automakers now are producing electric cars nowadays. You will not only save money, but you will also help in fighting climate change and pollution at the same time. And those are the 9 ways to save money on gas despite inflation. If you're interested in watching more videos on saving money, then what are you waiting for? Simply click the subscribe button and ring the bell icon because new videos are on the way. And we'll see you in the next one.